everybody, you're watching Michigan Farmer 421. I'm Clyde, and today we are going to be installing a brand new hood cable into the Fummins. The one in it right now is kind of busted and broken. The handle is actually, where is it? It is right here. The handle is kind of toast, so that's kind of a problem, because if there's an issue with the Fummins and we need to shut it off, we can't quite necessarily open the hood that fast. So, it could go up in flames. So, that's why we need a new hood cable. And thankfully for Christmas, I didn't have to go buy this, because it was a good Christmas present. Come on. I mean, it's one of the best Christmas presents I ever got, because I didn't have to find it, it just shows up. Kind of like a, what do they call that? A genie? A lamp or something like that. Anyway, so I already got the inside panel torn off on the truck. I'm going to take off that stripping there, and it's right here. And I got to pop that off, pop that off, and see where it exactly runs, and then go from there. So here we go. There we go. Ha-ha! I kind of remember where this hood cable goes when we tore apart. Well, wasn't the Fummins then? It was the 6999. I had to take this front support out to put that engine in, and yeah, this cable just runs right underneath, and I bet I'll be able to pull it right out inside the cab. Almost. Just making sure it doesn't snag anything. Where is it catching? Is it right there? It's right here. Caught in one of my zip ties. Okay. Cut this off. Open my connection there. Still good. Use a lot of zip ties on this truck, so keep some wires in order. So we have to go get some more to fix all this when the time comes. There we have it. We have the old one out. Don't need that. Now I'm going to find some wire to run through that hole to fish the new one through. So that way we can not have what do you call it? Not have to be digging around. So we'll already have a guide wire in through. So I'm going to go get some wire. Alright, I have my guide wire right there installed. And the other part is right here. So we're going to actually make a hook with this, twist it, and run the other cable through with it. Set you guys right there. Of course, I should have heated it up a little bit. I've heated it up by, not have it out in some cold weather. How do I want to do this? I think I kind of want to wrap it around Yeah, I could probably wrap it around this hook. We'll see if this works. If not, might be up a creek. I don't know what's gonna happen. Once it gets through, we'll be... The only part I have problems with is getting it through the firewall. Alright, be right back. See if anything happens. She heard something. Oh yeah, right there. Got caught. So we'll just jam that up in there a little bit more. Alright, we just now gotta give her a little encouragement. I need my light. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. What noise said I couldn't sing? There we go. Alright, pull this out here. And look at that. There it is. So I'm not gonna put this in until we get it bolted up on the inside. I think is how it goes. So now I'm going to have to probably run this. I don't know if I can run this from the front side or back side. No, I got to cut it. We'll cut it under here. Because it's not like super long. In fact, I don't want it going under that wall. I want it going under that wiring harness. This whole side is kind of a jungle because I got a fan relay. The old ECM is here and you had to tap wires into it. From the Fummins, or for the Fummins' transmission computer. So technically, this truck has an ECM. Well, does it have an ECM? Well, maybe it's already there. Let's go. Be right back. Alright, now we should be able to pull some more through. Yep, there we go. Alright, I'm going to run it underneath. And through this, gotta move you guys here. Ah! Stop camera. Through that hole. Can't find the hole. Could be a problem. Get your head out of the gutter. Alright. There we go. Owie. Shine the light down there. Here's our Phillips screwdriver. Maybe. Oh no! We're just losing tools left and right. Ah! Where'd it go? Right there. Alright, we'll just not send it through that hole. Where is it going? Okay, right there. Don't want it really to go there, so we're gonna use a screwdriver. Actually, no, we're not. We're gonna... Where is it? Right there. There went my light. Alright, hold on. I gotta sit you guys down. Got it! Pull this. Now, this is gonna be the tricky part. Whoop. Maybe right there. Good job, camera. So we slide this on here. Okay. Now, gotta hook it up. Hook the little cable right there. Okay, so now we're gonna act like it's locked. Let me know if it clicks. There we go. All right. Now I just gotta put everything back together. Oh. By the way, I'm not doing very much cut time in this video, so it's pretty much how long it's gonna take to install this thing. So I'm gonna cut the time because I lost some screws I gotta go find. But I'm just putting the sealer back on here. And then tuck this. Alright, now we're in the cab again. And I gotta shove that grommet in. I might not. I probably should. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to cut it here. Be right back. I'm going to go get some screws. Alright, I got some screws. They are a little big, but they were free. So I'm going to put that hood latch handle mount in. Does that work? Works good enough for me. Unless the camera doesn't fall. Okay, so these are my sub wires. Come on, get in there. There we go. Get in there. I have to pull some extra slack. Okay, where do we go? One's on here already. That's good. Make sure we don't crack it, because that's what happened to the last one. Not tighten it up too tight either. That's just not necessary. And I wonder where my other screw went. Well, there it is, right there, right in front of me. All right, it just now. All right. Let me go lock it real quick. All right, we'll pull this here. All right. That feels really good. Okay, now the only thing left to do is to hide my mess of wires and put the panel back on. So this, let's see, this goes underneath the door trim. This black piece, oh, you probably can't see that. Oh yeah, you can't see that. My bad. All right, now we gotta make sure I tuck my sub wires back in there. Oh, golly. Fell down. You all right, Canyon? You survived. All right, good. We'll put you right, nope, right there. That might work if I shine the light. Yeah, there we go, that works good. All right, so I kind of got to tuck this in. I have a mess of wires here thanks to, you know, my subwoofer. Just the way I have everything wired up. I have it almost all key controlled, so it doesn't simplify. Where'd that piece go? Alright, let's see here. Oh, down low. These pegs I'm not a fan of, but it also makes this come off really easily. And then I have a screw right here I gotta put in. And I got the impact here, might as well use it. And there we go. Now it does catch a little bit here, but this truck isn't quite factory, so and then I just gotta zip tie this up. I can do that later. Yeah. So there you go. That's how you install a hood latch on your 1992 Ford F-350. This thing actually kind of looks more like a 97 in my opinion. Just my opinion. You know. But I don't think they have the recreational mirrors. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you in the next one. Peace. Recreational mirrors. Words are not tough, I swear.